This country, under this APC regime, came to become the poverty capital of the world. It became the place where the minimum wage became the miserable wage for workers.
But if you think about Nigeria itself, it's an open prison.
And I just want to say congratulations to all our members.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have this country that resilience pays.
Yes.
That honesty pays.
Yes.
Even when we were called upon to come and negotiate, we refused. That we will never negotiate over our rights. But most specifically and fundamentally and importantly, I want to praise our lawyer here today. Inibe Effiong. Lawyer like no other.
Yes! Revolutionary lawyer.
Yes. Yes.
We not only know that it was good, but the judge who delivered this case today, who delivered the judgment, specifically praised his industry.
Yes, sir.
He said, I want to thank you for the job you did for your clients.
For Nigerian.
You didn't do it for any client, you did it for Nigerians.
Yes.
You did it for Africa, and you did it for the world.
Yes.
His colleague, Oyegi, thank you very much for the fundamental work that we have done. At a point, they were telling us that if we don't have senior advocates of Nigeria, we can't win a case. That they're the only ones who can win this type of case. We stuck with our lawyer because he's the senior advocate of conscience.
I hear you, sir.
Senior advocate of conscience. And he always assured me, up to this moment, he said, there is no way they can win this case against us. And that's exactly what happened. Something is also very powerful and important. Today would have been the last day of the deadline of INEC. We wouldn't have been able to participate in the election. If this judgment was given today, had INEC not increased the deadline by 6 days, and we made that happen. Because we are not only powerful on the outside, we are powerful on the inside as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just want to give our lawyer a moment to address the legal issues. Even though I frequent all the courtrooms in the country, I'm still not a lawyer. So I will defer to you. Thank you so much.
AAC.
Take it back.
Take it back.
Action.
AAC.
Take it back.
We've taken it back.
I want to thank all of you that have come out today to be and bear witnesses to history. When in 2019, a certain Leonard Evenwa woke up and claimed erroneously, without basis in law or in fact, and mischievously so, that the national chairman of the African National Congress, Mr. Omoyele Sowore, had been suspended for 6 months. And we all knew that this was nothing blatant falsehood. We knew that Sowore was never suspended. We knew that the allegation of mismanagement of party funds was a lie, that no party fund was ever mismanaged. We knew that all the reasons he gave were concocted. And because he knew he was lying, he went to court, asking the court to affirm that Sowore had been suspended and that he had been elected as the acting national chairman. As law-abiding Nigerians, we did not resort to self-help. We came before the Court of Appeal in Abuja, asking that the judgment of my Lord, Honorable Justice Nyankwo, be declared a nullity, same having been given, delivered, devoid of jurisdiction. We also went further to say that Sowore's right was violated, he was never given fair hearing, and that even on the merit of the case, there was no iota of evidence. There was no scintilla of evidence. And I said there was no modicum of evidence that Sowore was ever suspended or that Malcolm had become the acting chairman.
Leonard.
Sorry, Leonard. we must learn to forget his name.
Yes.
Criminal.
Today, after rigorous litigation, strenuous legal fireworks, history has vindicated the just. The Court of Appeal today agreed with us on the first ground of our appeal, which is that, namely, that the Federal High Court had no jurisdiction to meddle in the internal affairs of the AAC. We didn't stop there. We also pressed the court to strike out the suit that Leonard filed, which is the basis upon which INEC recognized him, because INEC said we are acting in accordance with the judgment of the court. And interestingly, as the Court of Appeal found today, even the lower court, Justice Nyanekwo, in his judgment admitted that this was a matter that he had no jurisdiction. But as the Court of Appeal said, the lower court went ahead in the error to still deliver judgment against us. It is on that basis that today the Court of Appeal found our appeal to be meritorious. Our appeal has been was allowed, and the judgment of the lower court set aside. That is
Nigeria, they use computer. The leaders of Nigeria, they use radio where they turn the knob.